Spring is here, and our team at Land Rover Waterloo want to provide you with some tips for the road ahead. Whether you're navigating spring showers or gearing up for a summer road trip, our factory-trained technicians can provide you with the essential services that keep your vehicle running smooth this season. First up, tires and alignment. Switch winter tires for summer ones, or rotate your tires for even wear to extend their lifespan. This saves you money on fuel and early replacement. We'll check tire balancing and perform an alignment inspection to make sure your vehicle handles spring's changing road conditions. Second, brakes and suspension. Winter driving can accelerate brake corrosion and cause moisture buildup from road salt. To ensure optimal performance, we'll inspect your brake pads and rotors, along with verifying that your suspension hasn't been affected by those winter potholes. Third, fluids, wipers, and filters. We check all fluids, top up washer fluid, and inspect wipers. More importantly, with spring comes pollen, which can easily clog a cabin filter. Changing it at the beginning of the season helps ensure that pollen, dust, and other allergens are filtered out more effectively, keeping you and your passengers more comfortable. At Land Rover Waterloo, our factory-trained technicians will ensure your vehicle is ready this spring season. For complete luxury and convenience, we have express check-in, complimentary loaner vehicles, valet service, and complimentary interior and exterior cleaning. Keep your vehicle running smoothly this spring with our expert spring service inspections. Schedule your appointment today.